my YouTube channel. Hari ini I'm gonna unboxing my packer. Ini I unboxing this one for TikTok dancing. Ini biar ada pegangannya, jadinya kalau HP-nya biar nggak jatuh guys. So ini ada ring light-nya guys, sama untuk berdirikannya. Dan sekarang kita akan unboxing yang ininya dulu ya guys. So let's go. So
wow, what is that called? It's
Tripod.
called tripod.
Tripod, yeah.
Tripod.
And oh gosh. And there is this one for the phone. See guys.
Phone
You
holder.
can bend it and go side, front, back. And there is this one. I like it very much. So this one is like that. So how do we do it? First, you have to put it on the table. For that, we have to slide it. I don't know what is the name yet. Then there is this one. How do we do it? First, we need this one first. Second, guys, not the first. So, oh my god. How do we do it? So yeah, just find it. And this is have to be slowly or not it's gonna be broken guys. Oh gosh. And I'm so excited to wear it. So this is very nice guys. And I just like it guys. It's just so good.
Siapa yang beliin?
Oma, my grandma guys. So this one, how do we do it? First, there's like the middle, there is something great guys. This one guys, for that you just put it there. That's how it just like side to side. So first we have there's in the back. I don't know what's the name. You have to do it like this. But oh yeah, this is not to make it. You have to make it like this, guys. I just cannot see it. Sorry, guys. This. Whoa, guys. Accident is gonna be happen.
Okay.
All the time. So it's already. And how? Where's the phone holder? So this one. How do we make it? So there's in the middle. There's a circle. So we need to scroll it like this, but it just like so we can just make it like this. Okay, now already after that you just make it like this. Hey guys, like that guys. So now there is this one, but if you don't have, so first if you don't have the charger for this one, like that, we need the head first, this one. So now we have to click it, but there's no charger here.
What is that? Oh, it's USB.
Yeah, this is USB. So it's already done guys, and it's just whoa. It's taller than me. Why? So if it's taller, you can make it down again. And
Make it shorter again.
Make it shorter. Then there's phone holder here, and you just can make it like